forward, we add the net profit, we less the dividend, and also we less the interest on deposit. So you'll take the appropriation account, which we have balance brought forward. It is in the trial balance. Appropriation account 892.5. 892.5. They are in thousands. So make sure to show here it is in form of thousand. And then we say we add back the net profit. Our net profit is 1629.015. We less the dividend. We have the dividend first. Yes, number 4. Members are to be paid a dividend at the rate of 10% per share. So we less the dividend, which is 10% per share. 10% per share. How much do we have as the share capital? How much do we have as a share capital? How much do we have as a share capital? If you look at in that trial balance, we have a share capital of 65,000. So because of the other 3 zeros, so we will take 64, 65. 10% of this will come to 64, 646.5. 646.5. We subtract that, and then if there is any interest on members deposit, interest on members deposit, we also subtract. Do we have that? Number 5. Interest on members deposit is to be provided at 607.5. 607.5. I will also subtract that so that I can get the balance carried forward of this appropriation account. Ngapi? Nani amepata? Brian, tumepata ngapi?
I think the balance brought forward for the appropriation account is 604.5. I'm not wrong.
The balance brought forward from appropriation account. You see, I don't have a. I taken which one? 852 ni gani? Yeah. So it is good. I told you you have to rule your past paper with a pencil so that you pick the right figures. Yes, the correct one there is 604.5. So thank you for that correction. This one is 604.5. 604.5. So what could be now our balance carried forward? Do we all have the calculator? How much tunatumia simu as a calculator? So make sure you have a calculator. So kama unatumia simu as a calculator, then itakuwa very difficult kuingia Zoom na kufanya calculation. So we take 604.5, we add 1629.015 minus minus 646.5 minus 607.5. I'm getting 979.55. 979.55. So this one I will take to the balance sheet. So let me have it here, or you will tell me that value. So make sure that you write that 979.515.15. That is our balance carried forward. Then now we need to have the statement of financial position, which is the balance sheet. Which is the balance sheet. So I hope kila mtu ameandika.
Yes.
Yeah. So then you can have the balance sheet of this Uchuzi Sacco. So make sure that you are getting everything kwa each topic. Hiyo kuna a lot of remarks. Easy topics like provisional farm, manufacturing, and not manufacturing, the pension, cooperative. So these are the questions which it carries a lot of remarks. So we go to the balance sheet of Uchuzi Limited or Uchuzi Sacco. SFB, statement of financial position as at 20th June 2010. We will start with the non-current. You can go it in a liquidity form. You can write it in a liquidity form, which we start with the most current asset, or which can be easily converted into cash, which can be easily converted into cash. So if we go as per the liquidity, or you can't just do it in our normal way, nobody will penalize you. The first asset tuko nazo wapi? Cusco deposit. Cusco deposit is also an asset. Cusco deposit is also an asset. So we have Cusco deposit. Cusco deposit is an asset of. Then I have now to have a rule of my values. Is it 438? 438. Kindly confirm whether it is 438. We have the Cooperative Bank saving. Cooperative Bank saving. Cooperative Bank saving of 240. 240. We have loan to members. That is a current. You can put that one as a current asset. So let's first exhaust the non-current asset. Investment in CIC. Investment bank saving in CIC. That is 540. 540. And then investment in KNFC investment. KNFC. Is it KFC ama ni gani hiyo? That is 21. 15. We have the furniture. We have the furniture. 90. So we have done with the receivables, non-members. Maybe we have any account here. So I think that is all for non-current assets. Then we go to the current assets. The current assets. I've seen loan to members.
Only one, which for most things is not a big deal. For example,
if you give members loan as a Sacco, then it is an asset to the Sacco. So we have loans to members. 97 597 524. And then receivables, we have receivables to members 268 268.5. And then we have a receivable also for non-members. Receivables for non-members 2250. And that investment tuko tumeweka cash in hand. Cash in hand we have 54 cash in hand. And then what else? I think we have exhausted the current, all the assets, unless there is the one which you are seeing which you have not captured. Additional information. The management proposed the honorarium amount that salaries has not been paid, members dividend, interest, all these are accruals. Education, members education. So total this, get the total of this and total of that, and then whatever you are getting here and here add the two so that you can have the total assets. And then equities and liabilities. Share capital. We have share capital of share capital ilikuwa 64. And then we have our members deposits. Umeipata ngapi kama total assets? Make sure you participate kwa calculation. So our share capital is 64. Yes? Umepata ngapi?
103,519.5.
That is for total non-current asset.
Non-current assets and current assets.
Zote inakuja?
I'm getting 103,519.5.
519.5. Okay. Then under the equity, remember appropriation account, which we got 979.979.0 ama 97. So kindly tell me this one. I don't want to do the case work. Sirikumbuki. So give me that appropriation account, and then statutory reserve. Statutory reserve also is part of the capital. Statutory reserve 1374. We have revaluation. We have revaluation 75. Do we still have any other capital there? Sundry. Then we go to the creditors. I've seen sundry creditor. Sundry creditor hapo wako na ngapi? 340. 0.851. So already we can graph this because you have written, so that we can continue with our liabilities. Then after sundry creditors, what else do we have? Bank overdraft, bank OD, bank overdraft 615, bank overdraft of 615. After bank overdraft, interest on loan to members, that was an income, bank charges, salaries. I think we have the accrued rent. We have accrued rent up there. Accrued rent is also a liability of 495. Then go to the additional information. Audit fee of that, exclusive of that one, of the VAT 16%, and the supervisory fee are to be provided for. So that is a provision. So they have not paid. If you look at that trial balance, there is no audit fee. So it is part of the accruals at the end of the year. So we provide the audit fee, of 613.65. We also have the management committee has proposed the payment of honoraria. That is also a provision, honoraria of 100. We also have the staff amounting to 315 has not been paid. So staff salaries of 315, and then interest on members' deposit is to be provided as at 605. Also, that one is also a liability because it has not been paid. Interest on deposits 607.5. So what was the value of appropriation? Mkinyamaza tunaita tu mtu random. Fate. What is the value of appropriation up?
It was 979.515.
97?
979.515.
979.555. Okay.
51. Yeah.
51. Yeah. So kindly get to the total of that. Unless kuna kitu tumeacha. So that one will be able to get your total equities and liabilities. Total equity and liabilities, which we have 64, 65. .85 plus 495 plus 613.65 plus 100 plus 315 plus 607.5. Getting a big a funny value here. Mpata ngapi? So get the equity first, which is 64, 65 plus 979.5. Unasema 515 plus that is 74 plus 75. That one I'm getting 88 8893 8893.55, then plus remember we wrote something on the legal fee, so kindly get that. This is the question. It is for the cooperative societies, because we left on the legal fee, so we add the legal fee there. Let's get the value of the legal fee and get the total, so that you can be able to get the net profit, so that we proceed to the balance sheet. So the value of the legal fee is 40,000. So let's have the total revenue. What is the total revenue? What is the total revenue? What is the total revenue? I know you have this figure, so you only you're fearing to say. So ile yenye uko nayo is that one is correct. So let's take 30 plus 358, that 558.93 plus 47.4. So the total profit or the revenue, I'm getting that 666.33. So kindly confirm if you are getting the same figure with me. And then let's total the expenses. 613.5 plus 100 plus 543.5 plus 8.3 plus 10.015 plus 20 plus 80.5 plus 100 plus 111.5 plus 205 plus 50 plus 150 plus 5 plus 40. This one I'm getting the total expenditure here is 20. That's 7.315. So I don't know if you are getting the same figure. So kindly confirm if you are getting the same figure. And then we will subtract from our profit there, that is 66.33 minus answer. So we have a net profit of 1629.015. This is our net profit. That is our net profit. So I think we have answered the part one of that question, the income statement for the year ended June 2010. And then part B is asking for the appropriation account as at 30th June 2010. So we need appropriation account. I think you have already written this. So with appropriation account, we said we take what? The appropriation brought forward. We add the net profits, we less the dividends, and also we less the interest on deposit. So we'll take the appropriation account